Hello viewer, I am Vibhas Malik, and in this video I will share with you 5 different methods how you can use ChatGPT version 4 in a free. Before I start the tutorial, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1k subscriber and also like this video. Let's start the tutorial. Just I have created a video about how you can generate AI image. Please watch that video. I will give that video link in this video description. The method number 1, first you will need to go this website. The URL is chat.4 font AI. I will give this link also in this video description. Here you can see there is 4 model, ChatGPT 3.5 or chat 4. Select simply 4 and you can create or select any persona. There are many persona. You can also create your own persona. Just type your name. Suppose I typed my name. It will take some time, 2 to 3 seconds. Refresh the page. Select your persona or anything. Type here your, first of all select GPT-4 and type here your query. Click on send. It will automatically give you a blog article or anything, whatever you want. Here you can see it is generated. Just you need to sign up with your Gmail or any email address, that is maybe Outlook or Hotmail or anything. Same as the second method is, this is poet.com ChatGPT. Here you can see a lot of option it have. GPT-4 and then GPT-3 also 3.5. You can use it. The third method is go to syncode.ai. I will give this link also in this video description. syncode.ai. This is the third method. I have already created an account, so I will click this. Go to your dashboard. After logged in your syncode AI account, click on this new chat. Then here you can see it have multiple model, AI model, ChatGPT 4 and 3.5. Select ChatGPT 4 and ask your query here. Or you can also upload a document, but ChatGPT 4 does not support image. So if you want to upload image, then use GPT 3.5. Here you can see select GPT-4 and click on go. This is the third method. Let's go fourth method. That is go to this website ora.ai.com .ai. Sorry. Simply click on here get start. And first of all you will need to sign in your account. You must have an account. You can use your Gmail address or email or Tempmail also. I have already created a video about how you can create unlimited Gmail. Please watch that video. Here you can see the Aura dashboard. Click on new chatbot and type here your query, and this is a prompt description. Add all this, then create bot. This is the fourth method. Now for last method but not in the list, go to your browser, each browser. By each browser you can easily use ChatGPT-4 in a free. Open each browser and search bing.com. bing.com/new, hit enter button, then click on here chat now. It will open in a new page.
Simply type here ask me anything. Here you can see, type here and click on go button, Here you can see I have already created some query, which is recent query. You can see in this side. Here you can see the GPT-4 working in each browser freely. These are the 5 methods by which you can use GPT-4 in a free. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Check in this video description, you will get my Telegram link where you will get many product links from different e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and you will get 70 to 80% discount on every product. I will post product on a daily basis. If you found this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press like button. And please watch another video how to create AI image. I have just created that video also. Thanks for watching video.